Davao Region is formerly called Southern Mindanao, is an administrative region in the Philippines, designated as Region 11. It is situated at the southeast portion of Mindanao and comprises of 5 provinces: Davao de Oro, Davao del Norte, Davao del Sur, Davao Oriental, and Davao Occidental.
Province of Davao de Oro was formerly known as Compostela Valley and was carved from the Davao del Norte province by virtue of Republic Act 8470, ratified on March 8, 1998. So, formerly Compostela Valley ni siya, so now is Davao de Oro. So, area is 4,560 kilometers and zip code, the zip code of 8810. And ang governor karon is si Dorothy. Philippines, yung capital is Nabunturan. So, ang official municipality of Nabunturan is Natuburan. So, Natuburan, Davao de Oro, Philippines. According to the 2020 census, it has a population of 84,340 people. So, 2020 pa na nilang census. So, what more karon 2024 na. So, the municipality is home of the Mainit Hot Spring protected landscape. So, dito makita ang Mainit Hot Spring, no? So, protected landscape kaya po na siya. So, ang Nabunturan has 28 barangays. Namely, Poblasyon Nabunturan, Anislagan, Antiquera, Pasak, Kabakungan, Kabadianan, Katipunan, Libasan, Linda, Magadi, Magsaysay, Mainit, Manat, Matilo, Mipangin, Mindayos, Sibunga, Pangantusan, Ugaw, San Isidro, San Roque, San Vicente, Santa Maria. And so, sa Davao, no, is they are very famous for the Skylab. Means motorcycle without mga katong block. Then you can ride it to go to the pristine waterfall. Attraction is sa municipality of Moncayo, Awao Falls. Iskat po na siya dito, no? So, Dusit Tanilubi Plantation Resort is located na siya sa Pindasan, Mabini. The Island Paradise is the perfect seaside retreat to enjoy tropical weather all year round. Rated 4-star resort has luxurious rooms and villas with private pools. So, 4-star hotel na siya, 4-star hotel resort. So, Dusit Tanilubi Plantation. They have a festival called Bulawan Festival. It's the founding anniversary celebration and festival of gold mining industry. So dito, no, sikat ni siya ang gold mining sa Davao. Nalimot ko sa ngalan something Diwalwal ang kuan dito. Ang sikat nga mining company sa Davao lugar. So the province of Davao de Oro, Philippines held every March 8. The date is usually a non-working specialty in the province through presidential proclaim. So, non-working holiday ni sa ilang festival sa Bulawan Festival, and that's all.
Davao del Norte. Davao del Norte used to be part of the largest province called Davao. Back in 1967, the Philippine government decided to split Davao into 3 separate provinces: Davao del Norte, Davao del Sur, and Davao Oriental. Davao del Norte was officially created on May 8, 1967 when President Ferdinand Marcos signed a law called Republic Act number 4867. It has 13 municipalities, include places like Tagum, Panabo, and Samal. Over the year, more municipalities was added, and in the 1998, the town of Tagum was converted into cities. Today, Davao del Norte has three cities, Tagum, Panabo, and Samal, and 8 municipalities. Its capital and the largest city is Tagum, which is known as the banana capital of the Philippines because of all the banana plantation in the area. The people of Davao del Norte was called Davaoenyo, and they speak language like Cebuano, Davaoenyo, and Minsapa. The province is known for its beautiful beaches, especially on Samal Island, as well as its agriculture products like banana, coconut, and rice. Here are some of the most famous festivals in Davao del Norte: Binuhat Festival, Ugmad Festival, Kaimunan Festival. This festival showcases the rich culture, heritage, tradition, and agricultural abundance of Davao del Norte. They are opportunity for local Ugmad Festival, Kaimunan Festival. This festival showcases the rich culture, heritage, tradition, and agricultural abundance of Davao del Norte. They are opportunity for local and visitors to come together, celebrate and appreciate the unique aspect of province cultures and histories. Here are some of the most famous attractions in Davao del Norte: Mon Fort, Bat Sanctuary, Tagum City Freedom Park, Banana Plantation, Island Garden City of Samal, Hagimit Falls. This attraction offers of mixed nature beauty, outdoor activities, and cultural experience. They showcase the best of Davao del Norte and provide opportunity for relaxation and adventure and learning. The most famous attraction in Davao del Norte: Mon Fort, Bat Sanctuary, Tagum City Freedom Park, Banana Plantation, Island Garden City of Samal, Hagimit Falls. This attraction offers of mixed nature beauty, outdoor activities, and cultural experience. They showcase the best of Davao del Norte and provide opportunity for relaxation and adventure and learning.
Davao Occidental is a province located in the Davao region of Mindanao, Philippines. The province is known for its stunning natural beauty, including beaches, waterfalls, and diverse marine life. Gaginaway Festival, a celebration of unity and bountiful blessing celebrated by the Malitaños every full moon of November, based on the traditional costume and belief that full moon is at its brightest during this period, and that the Lumad love to have a festival to merrymaking, enjoying the beautiful view of the moon shining brightly on them. Credits to our very own Benjamin Joseph Bautista, who is the founder of Gaginaway when he was still serving as municipal mayor of Malita.